That's it. This stupid change machine. I put 2 dimes and a nickel, and it gives me 1/4. What a jip.
This one?
No, that's for babies. No. Time Rover. Anywhere in history for 3 minutes. Only 25 cents.
Cool.
Great. You probably broke it now. Seatbelts?
Check.
Helmets?
Check.
Ignition?
Check.
Phew, well, that was close. We was nearly eaten alive.
Oh.
What? I don't see nothing.
Hello! Oh, so glad you could come.
Where are we?
Oh, this is where it all began. Ooh, bubbling cauldron. Ooh, don't get too close, chicken. Watch your step! Anything that falls in there will change all of history as we know it.
So, like, if I was to chuck my chewing gum into this primordial soup, it would change history?
Oh, that's right. And there's no telling what might happen if I were to... Oh, just think of the havoc this little sucker will play on history.
Watch out, sis!
Oh, cool!
Oh, it's going to go back without us.
Goodbye. Oh!
Helmets!
Check.
Safety... Phew. Huh?
Huh?
Oh, everyone's a quarterhead!
Oh, we've got to go back in time to just before I dropped that quarter into the primordial soup.
Just can't wait to check.
Hey, go Super Cows! Way cool, Super Cows! Hey, thanks again for saving my butt back in the past with that naked guy and that whole primordial soup thing.
Oh, no sweat. I wonder what that soup tasted like. Ooh, it looked disgusting to me. Me too.
Hey, Mom, I ate all the cereal. There's none left for me. It wasn't me. It was me. I ate all the cereal. Did not. Did do.